Hello.
What's your name?
Miss Bentley.
Okay, and can you tell me how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old. How are you today, John? You're happy today. Okay, John, are you hungry? No? What about? Are you sleeping today? Sleepy? No. Okay, John, tell me what's your favorite food? Pizza. Do you eat fruits? Yes? What fruit do you want? Or what fruit do you like?
I like pear.
Pears. Oh, I like pears too. What about colors? What do you like? What colors do you like?
I like color is blue.
Blue and only one color?
Blue
And
and green.
blue and green. Wow. All right. So John, today we will do a speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's start with these pictures. We have line 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's start with line 1. Which one is different? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, use your finger. Go.
All one. In the one picture, 3 is different because pictures 1, 2, 4
Are
fruits.
fruits. 1, 2.
Learn to picture 3 is different because pictures 1, 2, 4
Are
food.
very good.
In learn 3 picture 4 is different because pictures 1, 2, 3 are camping.
Yeah, very fine.
In learn 4 picture 3 is different because pictures 1, 2, 4 they are
Close.
close.
Yes, they are close. Okay, very good, John. So far, so good. Now let's move on to part 2. Find the differences between the two pictures, okay? Now you have to use your finger and start with picture 1. Ready? Let's go.
In picture 1
There
are 2 black
bears.
but in picture 2 there are 2 brown
Bears.
in picture 1 there are 4 ducks but in picture 2 there are 5 ducks.
Good. Next.
In picture 1 the girl hasn't got her man. But in picture 2, the girl has got her man.
Let's go.
In picture 1, the mother is sitting down the chair. But in picture 2, the mother is standing up. In picture 1, the bed is on the chair. But picture 2, the scrap on the chair.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, now let's move on to the last part of our speaking test, and this is picture story. Okay, can you read to me the title of the story?
Jane finds a cow.
Okay, let's start.
Jane's father is sad because the cow is missing. Jane looked everyone. Jane looked the cow in the school. Jane and father take the cow in the truck and students are happy and say goodbye.
Good job. Very nice, John. You did well. Wow, say goodbye to teacher Lee. We are finished. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, John. Very nice.